How do I promote on social media? Okay. I like Facebook. Out of the big three, which is probably what, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, I'm a big fan of just taking my time speaking for, I average 10, and then lately I've been doing 15, 20-minute videos just showing you in little greater detail what Save Club is because it's so new. Most people have a lot of questions. So if I can go through more things on one video, okay, it's just less me emailing or trying to help you guys out with some information you might have, okay? But I like Facebook, and I thought maybe I'll just show you a typical post. It's not spammy, it's not crazy. I've never been in trouble with Facebook posting the way that I do. Okay, I'm very careful on how I promise, oh, make money, money, sell. Oh my God, join today, and I'll see you on the beaches tomorrow in $1 million yacht. Okay, I just like to keep things not real salesy and cheesy, but I like to just talk about some things that I think are interesting in just a humble way, and then provide information either where people inbox me for the link to my Save Club opportunity, or they can go ahead and just watch one of my YouTube videos, which I will post the link to directly on Facebook. Okay, it seems to work. Okay, so anyway, let me just show you real quick, okay, what I do. And this is an example for Facebook. Okay, I'm sure you've all heard of Facebook. Okay, guys, my goal at the end of the day is to have people click ilovesaveclub.com. Okay, if you click this, it's going to go to a capture page, which is this. This is provided for you for $60. You get your own website. You get this exact page here where people will go and watch the video. So if you don't want to do video, don't worry about it. Let our founder Charles do all the heavy lifting. Okay. Then, if you're interested, fill this form out here on the right. You're going to get more information via email, or you're going to get an email to join. Okay. Very easy. Just hit that orange button and rock and roll all night. Okay. So let me switch over to my Facebook. Okay. Now, let me just get out of the way here. And let me just scroll to this one right here. Okay, can you see it? You can see I really can post some really easy things that take me about 30 seconds. Okay, so this is a video that I made. Now, if you have a video that you have, maybe you made one, or if you want to use one of my team's videos, because if you join me, we have videos, we have some banners. Okay, we're making media for you guys. And then, of course, Save Club will have their own coming out. But right now, we're only 2 weeks in. Okay, so pre-launch phase is what we're in now. So we have till June 1st. But no doubt the company will provide some materials for you. But the group I'm in, we've already got it. Okay, so as of May 9th right now, if you join me, I want you to join our 2 Facebook, not one. I want you to join 2 Facebook group pages. And that way, you can just read it every day and go in there and just study what other people are doing. And it's 100% invite only, and it's only Save Club members. Okay? So, I am a big fan of just YouTube videos. So, I shot this video. I put on a crappy thumbnail where I put Save Club review, how to recruit. I love Save Club. Okay? I just got the link to it. And when I post it on Facebook, do you see how the thumbnail just automatically popped up? Okay, well, I have a bunch of thumbnails too that look exactly like this because every time I make a video, I screenshot just the thumbnail to it. So here's an example of how I just post on Facebook. Love this dang business. I love saveclub.com. Do you see how there's no HTTP or www? Okay, on Facebook, you only have to put the domain.com. I love saveclub.com. I can't stand saveclub.com. I want to make love to saveclub.com. Whatever the heck you got, just put what your link is, but you don't have to put the HTTP thing or the www. Watch. See that? And then I pasted the link. I just went to YouTube and I got the link right there. And I like to put the word watch above it. I just don't leave the link like that because some people see that garbage there and go, what the hell is that? Okay, so I actually put the word watch. Love this dang business. I love Save Club. When you click it, guess what? It goes right to the capture page, which you're going to have, and people can sit and watch the YouTube video. Okay? People can watch this video that I've made here. And that's it, guys. Okay? I keep things super easy. Here's another example where I write a little bit more. I don't want to be too salesy, but it's kind of fun just to put some highlights. Save Club webinar. Okay, we do about 2-3 webinars per week. Okay, this one was a handful of days ago. You can see I posted it May 1st, so about a week ago. I'm currently growing my team like a frickin' wildfire. This is my new business, only 7 days old. Well, right now I'm 14 days old. I'm currently number 17 in the world. Guess what? I'm number 12 right now. I'll be number 11 by tomorrow. My way of recruiting seems to work. I'll show you exactly what I do, my routine, email, social media. But you got to join now to be positioned at the top, guys. I'm still serious. No one knows about this business. We're only on week number 2. We're going to have millions of people that are members and affiliates. Right now, we only have like tens of thousands. That's it. No one has joined yet. You got to hurry and join. This opportunity is designed to save you money on everything that you're already buying. Walmart, Discount Tire, Best Buy. This is just me living in America. I love RC Willey, a furniture store. Subway, I go and have a little sandwich now and then. Wendy's, I love those dang fries. Progressive Insurance, Disneyland, Lyft. 2 million other products and services are going to be available soon. So just hang in there. We're in pre-launch. So if you're watching me now, May 9th, hang in there if you're in other countries. As of today, I'm growing at a rate faster than Live Good. Okay, because the back office, the website, the pay, all right, it's identical to Live Good. And if you don't know about Live Good, go to joincory.com. Or if you have been in Live Good and you haven't really signed up people and you're kind of struggling, I think this is easier than Live Good. Because the product is you saving money on things you're already buying or buying in the future. That's it. $60, you're an affiliate. That's it. And all you do is just invite people to a link, okay, to your own capture page. All right, so don't delay. If you know this business, watch webinar. See, I always have the word watch. You have to tell people what to do. Cory, what should I do? Click ilovesaveclub.com. When you get to the capture page, I want you to watch that video right there on the left of our CEO. After you watch it, I want you to fill this out right here. Name, email, phone. Click that orange button and at least lock in. And then if you're going to be on the fence for a week or 2 or 3 weeks, okay, I get it. But you got to do your research, guys. Timing is everything. When you're in a successful pre-launch where tens of thousands of people will probably be signing up per day worldwide, this is when you sign up. You have some faith. It's $60. It's $19.97 for the month. Okay, so for $79.97, what a hell of an opportunity. I have put $2,000 in my pocket in 2 weeks just on the affiliate side, and $700 I saved on my first month of Save Club. $2,700 value in 2 weeks? That's insane. I still laugh every time I bring up Save Club. I had no idea I'd be doing this 2 weeks ago. Okay, so that's how I post just on Facebook. I keep things kind of light, kind of fun. All right, and I just have a good time doing videos like this. But if you don't want to do video, then go ahead and share our webinar videos. Okay, definitely invite people to this video here on your capture page. It's called the Powerline landing page. This video is all you need. There is an advantage for me doing videos that brand myself. Okay, but if you don't want to do it, relax. It's okay. There's other videos you can use. If you join my team, we have got things, just content that you can use, ads, banners, pictures, short little videos. Okay, that's the power of my team if you join. Okay, we're always going to be cutting edge. I think we're always going to be the biggest team because the people that belong to it, they're go-getters. They've made literally millions of dollars. Okay, so I feel very good being in the situation that I'm in. Okay, it's comfy. Come on in, man. I got a nice cold drink for you. Let's sit. Let's hang out by the pool. And let's kick some butt with this, okay? All right, I am done. My videos are always about 10 minutes, and my gosh, this one's going to come in just about right, okay? All right, I love saveclub.com. I really do. Cool. Awesome. I think you're going to like it. All right, and I'd like you to get a hold of me if you need something. Cory at corydraper.com. I'm glad to make a video if it appeals to masses, that's for sure. Because if you have questions, it means you're taking it serious. All right, there's no crazy questions. You know how that goes. No such thing as a dumb answer, not with Save Club. Boom, peace and love. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll talk to you next video. Right now, I ended this video 10 minutes on the dot. That's a miracle. Bye.